bad one here. Got a ground blizzard on 52 towards Broda, southbound in Minnesota. Pretty windy out today. Got a lot of stuff blowing in. Got a little bit of snow. A little bit of snowy gusts is really blowing around there. That one stopped. That's kind of a bad one right there. Really cuts down on the visibility sometimes. And she's blowing around pretty good. Even coming up to another one here. Kind of looking straight at the sun. It's blocked out a little bit because the clouds not really blowing snow though. She's blowing pretty good up ahead too yet.